Rachel is a full-time artist who works primarily Hello everyone, welcome back to my corner. Today we are opening the September 2023 Crazy Cat Lady box. I received this box today. We are September 14 today. It's very cold outside, so it feels like fall. I really hope it is good this month. I really hope so. I can't wait to see what we have. The last few months have really been disappointed. So, by the way, yes, I have a new color in my hair. So it's like blue, turquoise, some purple, greens, aqua, a lot of different colors. I didn't film it. I did an intro. I went to my hairdresser and I forgot to film. So I took some snippets, some little videos, and I did a little short. So if you want to go watch this, it's very, very short. By the way, if you're not already subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button before you go. And if you want to leave a comment, I'm always super happy to read y'all. So leave a little comment in the comment section. So let's open September Crazy Cat Lady box. So this month it's pretty heavy. So again, I'm hopeful, but I'm careful with my hopefulness. Is that a word? I'm not sure. So, oh, it was very easy to open. Okay. Oh, Alice is already super invested. So, so we have the little card as always. So the theme this month is Cozy Kitten. The featured cat artist is Rachel Parker. Rachel is a full-time artist who works primarily, in watercolor. So you can see her art and her online tutorials on www.rachelsstudio.com. So if you like the little drawing, you can go check her work. It's super cute. It's an orange cat. I think it's super sweet. She's very good. Nice. Okay, so the box looks like that. So let's see what we have. They changed their stickers and they are not terrible anymore. Terrible? Terrible. You cannot tear them. That's just an observation. So I'm gonna empty it. Okay. Oh, the cats are fighting. Maybe I should not have emptied it. Jesus, okay. What am I doing? It's like I've never done this. Okay. Let's start with the toys. So the first toy we have is this. So it's like a fire bomb, something like that. What does it say? So it says Fluffy Flames Firewood for cats only. So this is cute. I find it a little bit funny. It says keep out of reach of children. So am I supposed to trust my cat more with this kind of stuff than children? I don't get it. I'm not sure I understand. Nico is just like passing just next to her and she's like, don't bother me. So So I think this is pretty cute. It's feathers, so it's gonna be popular, I think. Doesn't feel super sturdy. I'm gonna show you the feather, like the other end of the feather is sticking out here, so I feel like it's gonna get ripped apart very quickly, but you know, it's feathers, so it's kind of normal, but I feel like, I don't know. But this is cute. This is $5. I don't know if you can hear them, but the other toy is a Cara the crow. So it's a little crow. It has a big nose, a weird nose. That's so weird. I love crows, but this is weird. This is cute. I have to admit, this is cute. I like it. For cats only, keep out of reach of children. Cara the crow with catnip. So I think this is super cute. It's like a little plushie. It's pretty cute. It's super soft. Again, the beak is my favorite part. This is $6. So yeah. It has little feet. The next thing we are going to look at is this. I see a little bit of the cats. Let's open it. Okay, what is it? So there's a bunch of a little cat. It's pretty long. Is it like a scarf? I think it's a scarf. Is there? Yes, there's a label. Where's the label? I see it and I lose it. Okay, I have it. It says wrap yourself in cats. Cat collage scarf. Cat collage scarf. Oh, that's cute. The other side is kind of like white and this side is more saturated. What does it say? It says cat collage scarf. $17. Let's see. I'm gonna try not to get the mic. But so this is the look, I guess. That's cute. I feel like it's like a fall scarf, not a winter one, because in winter it's -30, so it's not gonna be warm enough. But that's good. I mean, that's better than the other boxes, so pretty happy. The next thing, I have this. It says ceramic bowl set. Okay. Oh, this is why it was very heavy. So this is the outside of the bowl. And inside you have a little cat. I don't know if you see it very much, but it's kind of like yellowish, beige-ish. It's pretty heavy. Okay. And we have another one. Oh, this one is gray. So the other one is more like beige. This one is more like gray. And you have the little gray cat in the middle. Nice. Okay, they answered my question. I was wondering if they were thinking of us using it more like for pets, for the cats, or for us, like for cereal and stuff like that. On the box, I just read it says perfect for people or pets. So you can use as both. I would have probably used them for myself because I have a special bowl for Nico because he would eat all the time otherwise. And Alice has a little bowl. I don't really need a bigger one, and I feel like this one is big for nothing. So, but oh my God, we have a good product. We have two good products. I mean, come on. I'm happy. I'm very happy because the other months the boxes were very bad. I feel like this month is good. I feel like this month is good, so I'm very happy. It says $19. Like the price makes sense. So very, very, very happy. It says bowls made for a warm meal with a side of kitty snuggles. Use them for you or as cat bowls. So yeah, let's do the t-shirt. The color is very pretty. So in real life it's more purple. On the camera it turns a little bit like almost red, but it's more like a prune purple. And this is the design. So catnap and enthusiast. Catnap enthusiast. Catnap enthusiast. It's like a play on words. The definition of cozy equal catnapping with your kitties. $23. I think it's cute. Again, the t-shirts are very soft. I always love their t-shirts. The design is okay. Like, it's not my favorite, but it's not the worst. I feel like we've had a lot of bad t-shirts recently again, but I feel like this one is pretty I think it's pretty good. Again, it's not my favorite, but so, and as always, we have a little card. In the September box, we always get this little card to tell us that the next box is the black cat box. I will get this one. The last box is gonna be this one because I am I cannot say it because I am unsubscribing to Cat Lady Box. It's getting very expensive. I have a lot of t-shirts. I have a lot of toys, and everything I've had the last few months were kind of boring and, you know, underwhelming. So I have decided to cancel it. But I'm happy to end on this box because it's the black cat box. But the September box is very good. I'm very happy. Like I was not expecting anything. I was hopeful in the beginning, but right now I'm very happy. So tell me, guys, what do you think of this month box? Again, I think it is kind of good this time. What is your favorite item? The scarf, the t-shirt, the toys, the bowls? I'm curious to see like what are your thoughts about the September box. Also, you can comment on my new hair if you want. Nico is jealous because Alice is eating and he has eaten all of his food right now and he's like, but Alice eats a little bit, she goes away, she comes back, she eats a little bit, she goes back, you know, she eats all day long a little bit at a time. He eats everything at once, so he gets jealous so much. He's looking at her like, I'm gonna get ya. So this is it. This was the September box. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.